Hi, my name is Chloe. I live in a school bus, and today we're talking about recycling. All of the information is going to be based off the recycling system that we have here in the United States, which is very fragile and barely functions as it is, so do your best to follow these guidelines. Number 1, all types of paper, metal, and glass are recyclable. Check locally to see if they need to be separated. Number 2, mixed materials are not recyclable. That means that wax or plastic-coated papers, like some coffee cups and milk cartons, go in the garbage. Number 3, if you're not going to clean out that peanut butter jar, you better put it in the trash because contaminated materials cannot be recycled. That goes for that oily pizza box too. Number 4, putting all your recycling in a garbage bag destines it for the landfill, so don't do that. Number 5, recyclable plastics have this symbol with a number inside indicating what type of plastic it is. If there's no number or no symbol at all, put it in the garbage where it belongs. Number 6, the type of plastics you can recycle is determined by your region, so get on your county website to find out what number plastics are locally accepted. Number 7, if you want to recycle your plastic grocery bags, you have to bring them to a specially designated receptacle because they're processed completely differently than other recyclables. And don't forget to throw away your receipt because it's made of plastic. If you enjoyed hearing me talk as fast as I can, feel free to share this with someone who still puts plastic bags in their curbside recycling bin. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you next time.